I left that nigga on red, cause I felt like it. Dress me down in that rash and a roaring jacket. Dapper, I look fine, and my checks define.
Hold on. Before we jump into this video, go ahead and enjoy this concert. Juju gang, it's Jordan, and I'm back with another video. No, but today is gonna be a mukbang, and I ordered bum bara bum Pizza Hut. So I got me some French fries in this thing. It says naked. I don't know why it says naked, but I'm gonna take that off. See. So we got some French fries. It's not many in here because I didn't want a lot, but it's enough. Just some French fries. Just some French fries. There's Michaela. And I got me some honey barbecue wings. I'm not gonna eat all of this. I'm not gonna hold on. I'm not gonna eat all this. Then I got me and my sisters some, you know, the cinnamon sticks with icing. Wait. And then I got me, I got us a pizza, pepperoni pizza, and a Pepsi. But I'm drinking my water. It's good for you, so drink it. But today we have a mukbang, and I'm going to be telling you about how my life is going so far, basically, like a life update. So I'll see you in the next clip. So basically, what's been going on in my life is I started a new job. Yay! And bye, Michaela. And I've been losing pounds. I guess you can't tell because I'm eating Pizza Hut, but so then I've learned to not let everything get to me, meaning not hold grudges, not hold grudges against anyone. Hold on. Not hold grudges against anyone. Basically, learning to love myself and just doing Jordan. So I've learned to do that. Then I've learned to stop letting words and what people say affect me so much, because I know my worth and I know what's good for me, and what I love for me. You want that pizza?
Yeah, I want it.
Mm-mm. So,
Okay, thank you.
you're welcome. So, I've been just learning to do that. Now that I have my job, I was able to get me some stuff, of course. Buy my sister things. Give my mama money. Help out some friends. Able to do stuff that I wished I could have done ways ago. Now I can finally do them, and I'm excited for it. I've Oh, these are good. I've learned to just enjoy life. Because if you're taking life for granted, you're not going to get very far. And I had to learn that the hard way, I guess. Because I was going through some things. Depression and all that. And it wasn't like me. And I learned the hard way. I'm so hungry. I'm sorry, y'all. But this is good. You know, when you ain't had like a drink or some food in a very long time and you finally get it and it's like the best thing in the world. I just had that moment. Literally just had that moment. But everything is going good for me. This job I'm at, I love it. You just get tired a lot, which is okay. Don't play that loud. Don't play that loud.
I'm playing Roblox.
And I just been really letting stuff go. I've lost some friends, gained some friends, and really just been keeping to myself, I guess you can say. I just been really good. And I don't know why. Like some days I question, like, why am I, like, why is this happening? And why did it take so long to happen? Because to feel this way now, I feel like I've been waiting on it forever. My whole life, really. I will be looking for a car soon. Because a girl is getting her license. I want a CX. Start over. I want a Mazda CX-3. It's a mini. It's a mini of. What's the word? It's like a mini truck. I forget the word for it. But you know what I mean. I just been living my best life. Everybody asks me, Jordan, why are you so happy? Because, man, instead of being all depressed and sad all the time, you gotta learn to love yourself. There's a reason why you are the way you are. You have a purpose in life. And I didn't realize that until a couple of months ago. I made changes in my life to better me.
She's a gold digger.
Even if that means sacrificing things and a lot of other things. I'm full already. And I ate like 5 fries, a piece of pizza, and 1 wing. And I'm full. But yeah, this was just a little bit of an update on me. From now on, I say this every video, and I never follow up with it. I promise you, I'm trying to get better. I'm trying to, things be happening and I get busy. Now that I'm working, stuff has been happening. So recently, I've been doing a lot of singing, right? And American Idol was in Georgia. And I live in Georgia currently. And I was at work when auditionings was happening. I was so upset because I wanted to go audition for American Idol so I can be on TV. Like, no, bye. But I was at work and duty calls, so yeah, I missed that. Hopefully there'll be another one when I'm off, or where I can work into my schedule. I'm not saying that just to say, oh, you're too good, you gotta have it on this day for you. No, I'm not like that. I'm just saying, I'm really full, but it's so good. But I just wish I would have made it, because your girl can sing. I can sing. I can sing. Excuse me. But if you want to see some singing covers or anything, just let me know. Comment down below and I'll sing. I'll make a video for it. Any other video you want to see me do, it can be vlogs, challenges, pranks, mini clips, chats, rants, vents, all that. Mukbangs, all that. Hit your girl. Let me know. Either DM me on my Instagram, which will be down below in the description. You can follow me there. Ask me anything. Snapchat is also in the link down in the description. If you want to just talk, I'm a very friendly person. You can talk to me. I'll be a good listener. If you just need somebody to talk to, I'm here. This is so good. I'm saying that never need to had it. I just wanted a little bite. Yeah, I can't eat no more. I'm too full. But yeah, I was just updating you guys on how my life is going. So far, so good. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe to this video. share it, show everybody. I'm trying to get up there with, like, you know, the superstars, the YouTube stars, I should say. I'm trying really hard, but I know it's gonna take time, and you have to be committed and really want to do this. And I'm ready. I'm going to be getting me some new equipment comes Christmas time, so that my videos can look much better, the quality, the litness, all of that. But yeah, today is just a pretty chill day. Pretty chill day, but
I want all the.
yeah. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll get back with you. Back to you in the next one. Whoa, nah, bye y'all.
I'm living my best life. I told y'all I'm living my best life. I made a couple M's with my best friends. Turned on my L.